was gonna do an aesthetic video, but my cat is being my cat. Hey, that won't be nice. I don't know, he's doing random things. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? That's something's biting my arm. Sir? Are you having fun? It sure looks like. Anyway. Are you okay? Okay. Anyway. I just made the bridle for Panda. Little Pandy, and he has the bra band, and my cat is following me. Sir! Yo. Look at you. He's... Hi. I don't know what he's up to. But, yeah, I got some new fit. I got a new fit. I got the chicken leg shorts.